Semoga Tuhan melindungi kamu. Semoga tercapai semua angan dan cita-citamu. Mudah-mudahan beri umur panjang, sehat selamanya.
Makasih ya. Seneng banget ulang tahun yang kesekian. Alhamdulillah dikasih umur sampai sekarang masih bisa ketemu semuanya, umur panjang sampai pensiun. Alhamdulillah 30 tahun kalau rasanya. Nah makanya yang betah nih adik-adik nih.
Iya.
30 tahun tuh kalau kita nikmati, kita syukuri, nggak berasa.
I really love your dark, dark eyes, especially with that charming smile of yours. I really love that messy hair you get when you just roll out of my bed. But there's one thing I haven't told you yet. I love you even more when things are bad. You said I don't deserve to have someone like you. I'm only human and you're the moon. I'll never know how to treat you right. Sooner or later you leave my side. If I could go back in time, I would still say yes, I do. 'Cause I would go through hell just to be with you. I really hate it when you lie, especially when you're seeing her again. I really hate it when you say you love me while you're laying next to her. But there's one thing that will never change. There's a love from me that you've been taking for granted. You say, baby, I'll change, I'll come back to you. This is just a phase, all these girls and bulls. Please believe me when I say my heart belongs to you. If I could go back in time, I would still say yes, I do. 'Cause I would go through hell just to be with you. I know things are looking good, but I'm not giving up on you, on us, on our love. Baby, you don't see it working out for us right now, but I'll show you how beautiful love can be.
Lagi tren. Bodoh amat. Lu si Rizki ngeledekin gua, bodoh amat.
Lo ngomongin gue